It's time for another gardening update.
Hey guys, well, looks like I finally got me some rabbits to put in my garden. See them in the cut. Yep, we have some rabbits. And I'm still trying to style the garden, the balcony garden. I got a ways to go before it's all together. Yep. Lots of things that can be done in this small space, gardening space. Yeah. So I'm gonna be working on that. And yes, I am out of breath. And what is it? 9 o'clock in the morning, Southern California. It looks like it's gonna be a nice sunny day. Skies are clear. And I just gave some of my herb plants. Oh, my what was it I planted over there that I now forgot? It has oh wait, no, that's not it. I planted some chives, and I planted some, oh Lord, what was it? It was a herb. Hold up, guys. Oh man, my pens fell out. No, it can't be that. That was in that other pot. Oh man, all my little stick pins fell out. Y'all, I'm looking at what's going on over here, and the camera went all over the place, but sorry about that, you guys. All my little stick pins fell out. I gotta put them back in that. Well, I'm gonna get a jar and put them in. But yeah, whatever that herb is I planted. Ooh, if I could just remember what it was. Is it marjoram? Well, my plant app would tell me what it is. Oh, I'm so, man, I just put that over there. And I remembered, yeah, when I first did it. Of course I knew what it was. Now I'm a blank. I gotta write everything down now. This is no joke. Well, y'all see my cute little rabbits in the cut. Yeah. I love birds. I'm thinking about, well, how many birds do I have several birds, but a lot of them are wood. And I need the birds, like my concrete birds, or that other material that the weather won't hurt. But when the weather gets bad, you can best believe all my garden characters are going to be stored, because I'm not going to let the water and all that stuff deteriorate my investments in this garden decor. Because believe me, baby, I have invested a few bucks purchasing these statues, because these garden statues, Al, he right there, he chilling. His eyes are bright as I don't know what at night, because you know the sun charges solar energy and then it's on at night, and the eyes are very bright. Whoever has this in their yard, I bet it's gorgeous. If you have several of them, and you could have an overcast light to let you know what it actually is with the bright eyeballs. It's showing you that it's an owl. That would be beautiful. But yeah, guys, the rabbits have arrived. And they are so cool sitting up in there in the cut, chilling with everybody. I love it. My little garden family. Yep, it's an investment. Shoot. And if anything happened to me, whoever gets my collection, I hope they appreciate garden decor and place it around with love. Cause shoot, a lot of these things, garden art is not cheap, but you gotta look around. What you're looking for to make some style, some fashion. Well, everybody out there is all bunched around. Okay, the space is small, but I'm thinking about some other things for the background, but it'll take place slowly, cause shoot, yeah, I'm on a budget. Y'all hear what's going on in this country, tariffs and all that stuff. They say the price is gonna go up and everything, but I am appreciative for what I have collected, and I'm sharing with you guys my little garden family. The bird and the turtle is in the back. It's not, I gotta fix that area up in the back, but the turtle and the bird, they sitting back there chilling by the lemon tree. That I gotta finish doing whatever I'm gonna do it over in that corner. But as far as right here, my flowers, well, I guess I'll share that story for Saturday. But other than that, I'm happy with what I got sitting out here on the balcony so far. And I just wanted to come through and share that with you guys, let y'all see my little rabbits. I'm okay with what's happening right here. The little family I have them set out there, and we'll see what I can do in the future. All right, y'all have a great gardening day. Bye for now.
I'll see you on the next one.